Hey there, Playmobil pals. Welcome back to another unbagging and review. Okay. Today we are taking a look at Playmobil set number 1009, as you can see by the code here. I wish I knew, is there anybody that can explain the numbering system here? Like, they're in the 70,000s, but why is this one 1009? I don't know. Anyway, we got this from Playmobil Direct. This was one of the purchases we got from our Black Friday unboxing back in November. I think it was November. And so we finally got to it today to unbag for you. It is, as of right now, April 28th, 29th? I think it's 28th. And so we're going to go ahead and unbag this one for you and do a review on what we have here. So again, set 1009, and this goes in part with some of the other clickies that we bought and already unbagged. And you're about to see which ones they are, in case you couldn't tell by the opening scene there. There we go. I was afraid I'd have to really tear this thing open, but not the case. Check it out. It's the return of the Dragons. This time we have the football team. And you get 4 clickies, 4 football team, American football team players here. That's my dog in the background. She likes to follow me into our little office here because it's the warmest room in the house, and because it's right next to the sun, and this window actually points to the west. When the sun is setting, it shines right through onto this carpet, and that's where she likes to lay down and just take in the sun and all the heat. Right? You doing okay? All right, I got to get back to a video, silly. But here we have our first football player. We have an African-American football player, and I really dig the colored uniforms here. And even the numbers. The numbers look really cool. I actually was not expecting that. I was expecting a more blocky number as what is accustomed to football jerseys and sports jerseys of the kind. So yeah, we established last time we were opening up one of these like chameleon or lizard-like team members that we are going to call them the Dragons. This is the team called the Dragons, just because anything else just didn't make sense, and it was just kind of too wordy and just silly. But yeah, we opened the bag of fans, the fans of the football team. And today we got the football team. So we've got our African-American here. Our next one is going to be, we're going to go with possibly Latino here. And then we have, this is probably a Caucasian player. I dig the facial hair and the mean look. That's pretty funny to me. I don't know why, it just is. And then finally we have another Caucasian. Oh, we have an Asian. Now that's something I didn't expect. Now I am part Asian. I got Asian blood running through these veins, so I can say that. And look how clean cut he is. That's so funny. That's so accurate as well. So yeah, loving the diversity that Playmobil's provided us with this set. And here is the football helmet. As you can see here on the profile, we have not the Dragon's head that we've seen so many times already on the fans and on the football players' jerseys here, but we're seeing like the back of the dragon, or maybe the top of his head. Yeah, you see these on the top of his head there. So maybe that's the top of his head, or it could be like his back. Picture of his back there with the little scales or the spikes, whatever you want to call it, sticking out. Same thing on the other side. And of course we got the green painted on the front there where the mask is. Let me see if I can get that in focus. There we go. Hello, dog. The other thing I would have probably have changed about the helmet was maybe put a green stripe there on the front, or in the middle there. But one thing that seriously has scored points for this set is the fact that Playmobil went ahead and stepped outside the box when creating the numbers of the jerseys for these players here. It's not your typical block number that you would see on a jersey. They've got this sort of artistic design set for these numbers here, and I will absolutely love that. That definitely scores some points. And of course, you can't have a football team without a football, and here it is. Now, the one thing I wish I had done prior to getting this video even produced, I wish I had the fans out.
Oh my gosh, just put it on pause and get the fans out already.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so much fun.
But yeah, guys, this is a pretty simple set of clickies here. I can't really nitpick on this one. Granted, yeah, there's a couple smudges of paint here and there, but it's nothing I can't overlook. So I'm gonna have to give this one an A+. It's perfectly fine what it is, and I can't blame them for having pretty much the same outfit with a couple of minor color differences here and there, especially in the arms and the hands there. So I do like the fact that they are a little bit different. It just kind of adds to the diversity of it all. So anyway, yeah, this one passes all the way. And that there, guys, concludes our unbagging and review of our Dragons football team. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af, and be sure to check us out on our new Twitter page. Look us up, PlaymoAF.
We're not sure how long that one's gonna last though.
And that's right, we really don't know how long that Twitter account's gonna last, but it's been fun putting it together anyway. As for more episodes, we got more on the way, so stay tuned, and we will see you again right here on PlaymoAF. Everyone have a great day. We'll see you. Bye-bye.